tuned to 16 hertz. It does a 160 at 16 hertz.
I've never seen that before. Oh, it's solid. Did some work. Nice. How you doing, JacobViral?
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here first?
Cameron, I got 8 V1 Gold 12s and 2 Power Ramps 8Ks. It's a 6 order, parallel tuned to 16 hertz.
Whoa. You said parallel tune 6th order. What does that mean?
Good question.
Is it kind of like the ports, the way the cubic spaces are?
Yeah, it's a 1-to-1.
Okay. So the subs on both sides, and then the ports here, and then the back.
Yeah, the ports, 6-inch, 2 6-inch ports go down 90 in and then 90 up.
Okay.
They're 48 inches long, I believe.
Wow. This looks good. Did you build this?
Yeah, I built the whole thing.
What? How did you get that stain look?
It's just burned.
Burned?
Just
Okay.
taking a torch to a piece of plywood.
Okay.
And then a bunch of clear coat over
Yes,
it.
sir. What is the electrical side of the system?
I got a 90 amp hour C-Max on a 390 Brand X alternator.
Okay. Any SPL tests?
It does a 160 at 29.
Wow. That's good.
Yeah.
Are you happy with it?
Probably see a 60 at 20, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Does it play down to 20 pretty well?
It does 22.
Okay.
22 is the lowest on it usually.
And you got a whole wooden dash here.
I actually just put that in not too long ago.
Did you notice any difference when you did?
On the meter it went down, but wind-wise, yeah, it got a little windier.
So you lost the high end, but the low end is low. Okay. Awesome. That's great. Looking forward to hearing it, man. Thanks for the info.
Oh, no problem.
So those are little 6-inch airports, or roughly what size are those back circles?
They're 6 inches. They're aero ports.
Okay.
Well, no, I mean,
And it goes down and over.
PVC pipe, yeah.
PVC pipe.
Yeah.
All right. Sorry for all the questions. I just only get to see it once. This is awesome. You did a lot of. What did you do on the floor to make it so solid?
It's epoxy.
You poured it all the way down.
Epoxy, yeah.
That's the way to do it. Nice. And no windshield issues?
I've got a 2x8 right here.
Whoa! That is solid.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, I've never seen that before. A 2x8, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
And you never did a brace or anything?
I used to have one, but then we did a 2x8 and I ain't really
Keeps it kind of.
Yeah.
How many hours do you think you worked on this thing? Couple
It took me about 28 days to build the whole
28? Wow.
This took the longest, honestly. To bow it perfectly. Like, we had a...
Yeah, because you can see it's kind of.
Yeah, it like straight across it went here. We had to dump buckets of water on it every day. We lowered a car on it.
Really?
To bow it perfectly until we got
Wow.
it fit perfect. Yeah.
You don't ever notice that. You just got the finished product here, what it took to get that. And that's just one little part of the whole vehicle, so.
Yeah, I appreciate you
Yeah.
getting this thing. I've been watching your videos
You're
for
welcome.
years.
Really, I appreciate you watching, dude. You did an awesome job. You've done a lot of work. How many hours do you think you worked on this thing? Couple
It took me about 28 days to build the whole
28? Wow.
This took the longest, honestly. To bow it perfectly. Like, we had a...
Yeah, because you can see it's kind of.
Yeah, it like straight across it went here. We had to dump buckets of water on it every day. And we lowered a car on it.
Really?
To bow it perfectly until we got
Wow.
it fit perfect. Yeah.
You don't ever notice that. You just got the finished product here, what it took to get that. And that's just one little part of the whole vehicle, so.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go look at the back amps and all. Is it open?
Yeah, you're good.
what it is. Just shine black.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Gotta be, yeah. Show 'em how we get down, boogie and G. Yeah, that's better. That's some for real. To keep it live, but you niggas so boring. I'm the coldest, the end. To the feet, gentlemen, 3-inch rims on a classic piece on a pool. Got swagger through the cylinder, like lab proof. I'll be acting flow Ralph Lauren, taking Gucci rags like an A-Rap one. In and out.
I can tell you've done a lot of cabin work because nothing's really flexing. The pressure's just coming off of the window. The door, yeah, you can only do so much.
To weld that one up.
Yeah, but man, and it's brutal lows. Yeah, you did great. I appreciate the demo, man.